Good morning. Welcome to Stock Market Analysis presented by Ray Financial. Today is Monday, March 21st, 2016. So what I have in front of you is the chart of Nifty, and we are on a daily time frame. Now for those of you who have been following my videos on YouTube, if you go back to the previous videos, I had marked a very clear trend line, and since I have put up this video after a really long time, I am going to just uh, redraw all my support, resistance, as well as my trend lines. So we have a fresh start from today onwards. Now I was pretty, or I would say I was very bearish on the markets since January 1st. In December is what I was giving out, clear indications that the market is going to be in a downtrend, and I still feel that the downtrend hasn't ended. Now the only thing what I am waiting for is like certain breakout points. So let's see on the daily chart. Okay, we're gonna simply just draw this downtrend, and I'm just gonna extend it all the way down. Now if you see, there are a lot of areas where this downtrend line has been honored, and I'm going to point them out. So we started from here, okay, then we had a very steep downtrend. Now that I will mark out in another. So if you see this, we had this downtrend, and obviously one and then two. So these are the areas where the market. Now after that, we had to again see whether the market would obviously change or reverse. But you see, when a market falls, it doesn't just continuously keep falling. All right, there has to be some pullback, like there will be some profit booking. If someone has sold short at this particular area, all right, or even at this area, they would want to take their profit, so they will start buying. And when they buy there, you will see a lot of people buying or even buying stocks, averaging out. So this immediate downtrend ended, the markets started to lift up. So we let's put in another color. Let's go with yellow. So the market started to push up. Now again, we still haven't broken the major downtrend. So again, we tested here again. Now this was a clear double top. If you see this, let's go with a different color. So we were here, and so this was a clear double top, okay. And then what I was waiting for was for this to break, for this area to break. And once we broke, okay, we again started to come down, then obviously pull back, then we again honored the downtrend. Now if you go to see, this was this pullback from this level to this level. It came into an area of resistance. So if we had to still continue to go uptrend, we should have actually broken, and we should have continued to just keep on moving further down, further. So that's how usually a market moves. It's not just going to go like this, it's going to go up and down. All right, so we again honored the major downtrend line which I had marked out. All right, and then we see that there is still a continuation of the market going down. So we came down, up, down, up, down, and I don't need to explain this, but you can clearly see this. Now what is happening is that we are breaking, or we are not even breaking, we are actually testing this area. Okay, so the market has come down significantly, almost to 6,900 levels. I think we went below that, but then the market found some buyers. There are a lot of stocks that have great valuations, so people have started to buy in the market. Of course, it's the same thing like this. The market has fallen from this point all the way here, and then it retraced back now all the way back to the major trend line. Now if you see, let's see this. If we see this, this is the same way we fell, and now we are retracing means we are again in a buying mode. But for how long will this buying mode go on? So that's what I will now mark out for you, that till where would this buying mode go. Can it go back to the highs of 8,000, 9,000? So let's just see. Now if we see, this is a major resistance area. Why? Is because the market came till here, it bounced back up, it came here, but it broke this time and it came down, and then again it came back, it tested here, but then it fell further down, and from here we have come back to this area. So this is a very important area where the market is just testing, whether we should break it or we should again just touch it and come down. But from here, let's see, if the market moves up in this direction, then where are we coming back again? We are coming to the major trend line. Okay, we will come here. Now the question is, will we touch this and again start falling, or will we touch this and break out? Now even if we break out, this is a major resistance area, because the market came here, it came here, and then it fell down. It never broke ahead, it never went ahead like this. So I'm gonna wait for I'm gonna just clear this chart because there's now just too much. Okay, and I'm gonna just redraw the important levels that I feel we need to know. So let's just do the major trend line. Okay, and once I have marked this, I'm just going to mark out the important levels that I find. Okay, so here it tested, here it tested, here again we tested, we came back up, and now we are testing here. So either we break on the upside, or we just test it and come down. And what are we looking for? Whether the market would again take honor the downtrend line. If we honor this and we start moving down, still it's not confirmed whether we are in a downtrend or not, because there are certain things you have to always wait for. So let's do this. Okay, I'm going to mark the downtrend in nice and red so we know where we stand, and I'm going to extend this. Okay, and 1, 2, 3, and this is where I think the fourth one will be. And let's put some nice clear colors. Green is where we buy, or green, yeah, green is the main, is this area where we found support here, and we found support here, but then eventually we broke down. Now we are just testing this area, so let's put the testing area in red. So we're testing here. Okay, now will the market go up? Let's draw that in a lighter color. So is the market going to go up and test here? Okay, now this level is obviously 7,840. Now there is a short possibility that the market will come up till here, test it, it may even break, and it can come up till here, which is somewhere around 8,050, or let's just take 8,000. Okay, so will we break this level? If we break this level, then expect the market to come up here, and I feel then the trend has changed, because the way it would play out is that it would come here, okay, it would come down, and then it would go up, and then come down, and then go up. See, that's how it's going to move. It's not just going to go like this. Okay, so once again, I'm just going to clearly put this. I'm just gonna go with whatever colors I can find quickly because I've already proceeded 10 minutes into this video. Alright, so we are waiting for the market to come here, which is about 7,840 or 7,850, and I feel that that is a point of resistance, and this is going to be a point of resistance, which is going to be somewhere around 8,050 and between 8,000 and 8,050. From there, if we break up, alright, we can expect the market to move further, which would be at this level 8,300. But if we start moving downwards and we get below again the trend line, say from here we start going in this direction, which I'm going to mark in a red. Say we go from here and from this point we start going down. Okay, we have honored the major trend line and we are back in a downtrend. Alright, from here the market will definitely come back to this level, which is 6,934. I feel that right now the market is going to be very choppy because we have year ending results, 31st March, and a lot of companies are going to announce their results. So you will see good numbers, you will see bad numbers, you might even see good numbers, but then usually there is a there is a speech given by either the chairman or the managing director as to how the company is going to play out in the next financial year. So if they are very positive or they are negative, that really impacts the sentiments of the market. So let's watch out. Okay, I usually prefer doing this on a weekly chart, and on the weekly chart what I do is it's so much easier and clearer to see how we're gonna play this out. Okay, so I'm just gonna zoom this, and also note I'll show you something which was not there on the daily chart. So we have a nice downtrend. Alright, we have these areas which was honored 1, 2, 3, it's almost got there. So 3 times it got honored. Alright, my area where I would feel comfortable buying, selling. Alright, if you see this area there, this white line is the 200 moving average. It took support of the 200 moving average. That's why I feel the market had to bounce back. Plus there was such a big correction all the way from 9,200. Alright, I'm just going to be approximate, 9,200 all the way till 6,000, or let's say 7,000. So that's almost 2,200 points on the Nifty, and there has to be a recovery, there has to be a buyback, and that's why we see the market moving on the upside. So friends, just be careful, and if you see, also always go towards the backside. We are very close to a support area, very close. I can remove the tools and I can give you with accurate numbers. So we were here, 6,700 is a support area. Okay, you would have started to buy here. Alright, we are almost there, but usually people who know how to use the resistance and support level, you should have bought between 6,700 and 6,875. That's where the market came in and it started to move up. Alright, once we see that the market is trying to move up again, okay, let's draw this trend line. You see we are up here. So if we come around this area, okay, we are already here, 7,006, that's where we are. 8,000 is where I feel the market will go up to. If we break 8,000, expect an uptrend. If we don't break 8,000, expect a downtrend. Expect the trend to come down, and again I will see that Nifty will be in the 6,900 areas. If we break 6,900, I would not be surprised to see market at even 6,000, or even see the market, you know, at 5,000 or 5,400. So that's where I really would start buying. You know, I'm waiting to buy in this area from here to here. I'm waiting to buy this area 6681, 6836. Even if the market starts falling further below, I am not worried. I am ready to buy. I'm ready to buy even at 6,000 and 6,100. I'm going to be a buyer even at 5,000 and 5,400 or 600, because you know this will be the time where you will get the best opportunity to enter the market. Do not start trading, start buying and hold on. Just hold on to whatever you buy. Okay, so that's it from me now. If you want to know that where the market will go up till, where the danger zones, so here the red is a danger zone, 7,800 to 7,000 to 8,000, 7,800 to 8,000. If we break the danger zone, okay, then the market is going further up. It will go to at least this level, which is 8,330. So you know, for those guys who understand support and resistance and how the market usually goes down in a trend, there has to be a pullback. There, you know, it can't just keep going down. There will be some buyback. Let me just do my retracements. Okay, from here till here. So we came at a right point at 61%. At 61%, it's usually when you'll see the bounce back. Okay, and we have seen the bounce back. You see this? This is the 61%, which is 7,000. If you had started buying at 7,000, you would have, you know, made decent profits. Plus, you had the 200 DMA supporting it. But from let's see from the other point of view. Let's remove this tool and let's change the way it is retracing. Since we are in a downtrend, let's check the highest point. Let's come till the lowest point. Now till where are we going to retrace? Okay, possibility that 23.6 is exactly where I have marked it. 79, which is 8,000. We may come back to even 50%, alright, which is 8,368. But then again, there might be a shift in the trend at that point. So I don't want to comment so quickly right now, but let's just wait and see. My apologies for those who were waiting for my video. I was in middle of a lot of work and I could not post this one, but I'm sure for April, as I see the market, you know, once I know that what are the areas it's broken, I'll definitely let you guys know. I'm just going to give out certain stocks that I'm really interested in. Okay, number one is going to be Capital First. Okay, this is a great stock. If you guys can buy it, I feel that the management is superb, and if you see a decline, if you see a fall in price, I just would go ahead and buy it. I am buying it right now. Alright, I'm a long-term holder for this one, even beyond global. If you like this script, I suggest go ahead and buy it. I am ready to buy it even if it comes down to 25.36. I am buying right now. I already hold some at 85.90, but I haven't sold this stock. Even Himalaya International, it's about the script is code is Himal INT, HIMALINT. I am a buyer of this, so if you want to buy this one, go ahead. It's at 7.45 right now. Even Hindustan Tin Works, I'm buyer of this even at 19.25, whatever price it comes down to. This is going to be a good stock. ILNFS Engineering. This, for some reason, I don't know why I have bought it at 68, expecting it to go up. It's at 45, but no worries, I'm still holding on to it. I know the company will turn back. And we have my very favorite Wonderla. If you guys can buy this and hold on, trust me, there is huge potential in this company, and you will make a lot of money out of it. Well, that's it for now. I think I've given you guys enough information for you to trade properly in the markets. I wish you the very best, and I hope to see you soon in the first week of April, or even 1st of April. Alright guys, good luck trading and see you soon.